Hello everyone, my name is Johnny Dega. I am the founder of Rapid Reply, an AI email assistant for founders and business owners. And today I'm going to be showing how I do SaaS product demos. I've done over 1,000 of these over the years and had close rates as high as 50% or more. And I'd like to show how I go about the process. Now, first step is to qualify. Second step is to do the demo and agitate the problem. Step 3 is to show your solution. And step 4, of course, is to close and ask for the money. This is how we do it. First, qualify. Usually I have a short questionnaire for someone to book a demo that asks about, what's their company, what problem do they have, what result do they want, and they're willing to invest time and money into a solution. That's step 1. Step 2 is to actually do the demo. I always try and schedule this within a week of when they've completed the form, so the problem is still fresh in their mind. And then I ask them, what is the problem? Why is it important to you? What result do they want? What feeling are they trying to get? You're trying to agitate the problem and get them to explain and enunciate, what they're really trying to accomplish by potentially signing up for your new product. 3, solution. Then you can go and show the key features in your product and how it solves the problems that they've mentioned, step by step by step, and get their buy-in as you go through. And then the last step is to close. You can refer back to their problems, get them to agree that they need to make some kind of change in order to move away from the problem they have today. And then you can use the no closing method, which is to ask in the negative, are you against moving forward and signing up today? This is how I do SaaS product demos.